Hello, welcome again. First, all of my viewers, congratulations for Ramzan. I hope you are doing well. Let's get started. In this video I teach you simple and unique eyes makeup for Eid. First I apply this concealer on my eyes. Look at this technique. This eye makeup is so simple and unique because so many girls want to look simple and beautiful, so this eye makeup is easy to wear. And then I blend this concealer with the help of this brush. After the blending I apply face powder on my eyes. And then I take this green color and make an eyeliner on my eyes, on my both eyes. Look at this technique, it's so simple and easy to beautiful eyes makeup for Eid. And then I take some green color and blend it very well on my eyeliner. After the blending this color I put some green color on my lower lash and blend it very well. And then I apply glue on my eyeliner because I want glitter eyeliner. That's why I apply a glitter glue on my eyeliner. Look at this beautiful glitter, this is so beautiful, that's why I apply on my eyeliner. This makeup will look amazing on every girl's face and eyes. Then apply black color on my eyes and blend it very well. After the blending I apply eyelashes on my eyes and then I take some highlighter on my nose tip and my brow bone and my makeup is complete. Look at this beautiful glittery eyeliner makeup for Eid for party. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. If you want any eye makeup you write the comments. If you like my videos and my eyes makeup and you want any eye makeup you write the comment below and I make a video on this topic. I hope you like my video. If you like my video you share this video on your relatives, your friends and your social media account. Bye bye.